Welcome back, Imumakova, Deba Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV. Yes, so sweetheart, these days, so with him, dear crow, almost every woman, every young lady from 20 and above wants to have a guy, a man who is staying outside Ghana. Adintia. She doesn't care whether you are coming from the what? Finland, whatever, or new background, BBR. Why is it that? And we are here to discuss that with my wonderful resource persons. Hey, they know the gig. Mercedes is in the house, and then Frederica is also in the house. Frederica, tell me, why is it so these days? I didn't answer.
Actually, these girls going for other guys outside. First of all, I would say most of them, they want to be like greedy. They want to be getting outside support. Yeah, they will be dating somebody even in Ghana.
Oh,
you understand? But yet then still, they will still want to have a guy outside. I believe they want to be greedy. Yeah, because there are also some decent guys in Ghana here who knows how to take care of women. And even most of those guys out there, they are sport. Most of those outside guys, they are not too okay. You understand? But for the Western world, the women there, yeah, they somehow, they don't respect. You understand? Because of women rights in the Western world. The women, it's good though, it's good, but this man, because these ladies, they are straightforward and they don't want to be straight.
Yeah.
Those guys that are out there, they want to be here, and there. And those girls out there, they don't take it from them. You can go and give birth to a child and then go and mess around. So they are afraid of those girls out there. So they want to come down in Africa to play. And most of them they come Africa because the few they are from outside. They want to sleep with any girl they see anyhow, you know. Just look at it. I feel that they want to take advantage of this girl who haven't been out there before, who haven't traveled, to use that as an advantage to do things to them. And these girls, so they don't know. They feel, oh, this guy have come. I can show I got my guy in the US, in the UK, Australia, whatever. But sometimes they even come down with sickness. You don't know them because they feel they are from outside, they are clean. Some of them will come and just contaminate you with a disease. Yes, and then at the end of the day, you become something else. You go back to your parents, and even the guy who was dating you, you might even give him some disease, you understand?
That we don't know.
Yeah, but I believe most of those guys, they come down to Africa to play on the girls. Because those girls out there, they're working 24 hours, they're working themselves. So you will not come and misbehave on them. So they put them in their places. So that's why they drop down in Africa to come and play with girls. But yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wonderful. Yeah. Great information there coming from my Frederica. Mercedes. Don't you also think, sir, some of the ladies are thinking, sir, when the guys are around them, they give them a lot of pressure. So when you are here and he is there, you have your freedom.
Well, I don't think so, Akuma.
Really?
Yeah. And on the other hand, I would disagree with some things Frederica said.
Okay.
I don't see it. I don't think there's a problem. You understand? Those guys out there, the African guys out of Africa, Ghana and other countries, when they go out there, they've tried all their best to take a white woman, British woman, Australian woman. But at the end of the day, they realize that our black women are the best.
So they need to come home.
Thank you. That is one reason they come home, to find that black African woman who understands a black African man. And now when you come, you cannot tell me that all the women here are married. Some people are also single, looking for that single guy. So when a guy comes back, he's lucky, gets a woman who's also looking for somebody who wants to be dedicated. There they go. You know, they meet themselves and they are there. So I don't think it's because they are greedy. You understand? Like for me, it happens to me, you know, trying to get a relationship,
You mean it happened to you?
Yes.
Tell us.
You know, I was like all into it, trying. And I just met a guy who he was like frustrated. Took a woman to Canada, and the woman married another man there.
Yeah.
So when he came down frustrated, he met a lady who also was looking for it. And we met. Was I greedy? I wasn't.
Yours is a special case, right? Yours is a special case.
No. But seriously, on a serious note, I don't really have a problem with them.
Okay.
You understand? You can meet love anywhere. You can get married to anybody at any time from anywhere.
Yeah.
It's just the idea of trying your best, hustling, and see what happens.
Okay. But on the show tonight, now, we are not saying it's bad, don't go there. But all we say, you need to look before you set. You need to look before you live.
Of course.
Okay. It's so important. Because Frederica here is saying, sir, because the women outside, they know their rights.
Yes.
You can't just go and then be, you know, we can say be screwing around with them.
For that,
it won't happen.
Yes.
They know their rights.
For that,
Like
I will
here-
also accept some women are being greedy. You understand?
Yeah.
They don't want to accept what belongs to them. They want to like, okay, I want a white guy, you know, to show off. Whenever you say this, he give you that. For that, I agree. But sometimes it's not like that, you know. It's a luck.
But do you know what happens at times?
No.
These guys that stays outside, most of the time they torment these girls, even 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they don't sleep. They will torment them to go and say, no, listen.
You mean if you have a guy outside Ghana?
Some of them, they will
Because
give
of
you-
the time
they
difference.
will feel that you have somebody that will stress you, be calling you, you will not rest. And besides, do you know what they do?
No.
They ask for naked pictures, the naked videos. And at the end of the day, our girls are victims. They will go and place it on the social media. If they get refused, when she wants to disconnect herself at times, if she notices,
They start disgracing you.
they will go and disgrace the girls, send their naked pictures on the internet, and sometimes those girls, it will be difficult to find somebody to like marry, or people will feel that she's, oh, excuse me for this expression, she's a prostitute or something, but sometimes it's not like that. You understand? So this thing have rates, even though I'm not saying it's bad to have someone outside, but notwithstanding, you have to be very careful.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's my point
Great,
here.
great,
Yeah.
great point there.
Yeah.
Adeshimaima enemo fan cheme say I say ya to ye ho agu kasa bi mu but mamu nim ye nua no de ye twi no o kan obete but na no entimi omo ye librarians enti na my ene ye de brofo ewo won kakra but na enkomo ye bo Odo Ahomaso ne say na nsen ye de ni to form Odo Ahomaso de ensem ni sisi I say ye mani bebre pe emema womni ye kromu ha ebi America, Tokyo, China, Germany, Sweden, Denmark. No, we say ana eno ana eno ena Frederica Obroni. Watch let's say sometimes stress habe come no ho. Ena fe yon pa person musisiu. Ena fe nso no. Wa unim say your time no. Any by this time here abodu ba queen ekwa kobodu mienu. Uko America just say time no kra no bibibi. Eti ma wo da no aye wo 2 a amache wa down the any daytime e na be ma stress ono be bon komo e na mo demand ne ma bebre nso be down wa de ja ne twa fama me eno ne de bi me vetin bebre aba na social media so na oba bi da ho na gbayi ne ho na obu ne mu esan say stress na o de man o ha no dodo wo wa ha ko so ni ha wo ne ho na hye dan mu etu ka so ni jaye a na akwa de wo ho na mumma yini na ho enye omu nyina nso ene etesa papa ho ba say dodo na ye be mane me obe nane enti ye pese ye nida ho because dodo na akoma ate dodo na me mane bebre nso ba wo mo nka no kra nkyero ono be da saa obetene ye se wo yiro ho oba ye kra nyama ye kra de man sika ba na de wani to nso no ena Mercedes so che na ye memu Africa emema nkantin kan mo bu emma betimi ahel enti no mema ye ni na ho because oni say she's been a victim before on a boyfriend jaye obi so fi abretre baaye onso I so desperate benya me adom me no they are really koso kama by ye ntwe bo na say ye nyina de ani adane akọ emema bia omu fi abretre ba ti enye very careful on that. And come on, boy, I'm saying, oh, papa, and she ebe activate a full line center, Eddie Amamo. Now, famous so much to me, a fracture margin, and Rabbi di Wunya, Bibi Jojo War, Bibi Ako Kodana, platform, any Odo Ahomaso, Oba Kuma Mazimbi, Benny Animal Frederica, Mercedes, Yenina, Yewaha. Now, mommy, let me ask.
Okay.
If you are here and your boyfriend is outside Ghana, do you have any advantage? Than if you have a boyfriend in Ghana, is there any advantages? You see, are you getting me? Yeah. Is there any advantages like having a boyfriend outside Ghana?
Yeah.
Than the one you have here?
Sure, they have advantages and disadvantages.
Yeah, I wanted us to see the advantage
The
first
advantages.
before we come back.
Okay, first of all, most of them that are out there, when it comes to help, when it comes to financial aspect, yeah, they will help you.
Okay.
Yes. For that one, I would like to tell yeah, I'll give them bravo on that.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, they will send the money for you. They will send it. They want you to have everything.
Okay.
But somebody, if even sending the money is stressful. Yeah.
It's what?
It's stressful.
It's stressful.
Yes, they will send it, but it's stressful. You feel the pain.
Well, why is it stressful?
Okay, one, that money, they're thinking how they work for that money. So if they send it,
hard cash.
Yes, they will tell you how to do this, how to do that. Oh, some of them,
You'll have to account.
Yes, some of them are very good. Some of them are good, but some of them, they want to know why, even if that a cent. In fact, some of them even ask you for a list.
Really?
Yeah, they will compare.
When they say the money,
they will ask for a list. Look, let me tell you, I've been.
You've been there.
Yes, I've been there. Yeah, but you see, they will ask for a list. They will compare and contrast. Because I don't know if they will be hauling, excuse me, for some white people feces or whatever. So you know that the hard work. Yeah, so they buy it. It pains them when they send that money. Someone will be thinking, oh, if you send this girl money, she have a family to take care of. Yeah. Sometimes she will not want to say, I want to give the money to my parents.
Yeah.
She have a siblings. She want to take care of other people. But they're thinking that if they send you that money, you go and give it to a boy.
Okay.
So, yes, I don't know if you get what I'm getting.
Yes,
they'll feel if I send her this amount of money, she'll send it to this boy, you know? So they'll be stressing, what do you want to do with this money? It's not everything you even tell them.
Yo.
Yeah, as a man, if our lady says she needs the Thanksgiving, she's not going to tell you tooth for tooth, eye for eye. In fact, even they comes down from outside, they want to buy everything. You have family. You have to share. You have to stretch hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sometimes it's stressful. That's what I was saying.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Frederica.
Yeah.
Now, Mercedes, do you have anything to say? Are there advantages to have your boyfriend outside than the one you have here?
Okay, what I would say, the advantages that I see, if you have a guy outside, the first thing, it helps you to trust, to learn how to trust somebody. You understand? Because dating from a distance, it has to do a lot of trust and belief. You understand? Sometimes the guys closer, they don't even trust us, they don't respect us.
Those around us?
Yes.
Okay.
They don't trust us that much and they don't respect us. But the one outside, imagine somebody is from a distance who doesn't see you. You understand? Whatever he tells him, he agrees to it. And whatever he tells you, you agree to it. And when you ask him something, he sends it. It's the first thing I see, trust and belief. It teaches you how to trust. You understand? And secondly, financially, some of them help you. You understand? They will give you money, send you money when you ask. Now, that list Frederica was talking about, it depends how you start the relationship with an outsider.
Okay.
If I meet a guy, it makes me to understand he's my Alpha and Omega. Therefore, he's going to be my Lord. Trust me.
If you meet a guy and the guy is your Alpha and your Omega, relax.
If I meet a guy and I make him to feel he's my Alpha and Omega, he's going to be my Lord.
Oh, yeah.
Therefore, whatever I do, I have to give account. But when you meet a guy, whether he's in heaven or whatever, make him understand you are a dependent person.
Yes.
Yeah.
You only need help from him once in a while.
Yes.
You understand? With that, he gives you no pressure. What do you do with the money? What do you do? You understand? He knows you are an independent person who needs to pay maybe water bill, light bills. So how are you supposed to tell me to give you bills? You crazy, yeah? It doesn't work that way.
Wow.
I want
to a moment.
I want to ask this question.
No, wait, relax.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all, please.
No, I just want to beautify this whole program and, see the facts of reality.
Okay. Speak.
You know? We, like, for me, I'm an independent woman.
Okay.
Yeah, by the special grace of God. I'm not a liability to any man. Yeah. But notwithstanding, how many of our African sisters are actually in the position
to
be independent?
Many of them.
Okay.
Yeah. If you say many of them, like, to what percent?
Lots of them.
In Africa? What do you say about that?
Lots of them.
All right, let's go.
No, that's why I want
Then
to
leave it like that. Let's judge.
Okay.
But our listeners are there to judge.
Okay.
So when we do activate the phone lines, we'll hear them, contributing to the show. Adishimai and then come on, na ye bon. Let me be say Ufa bema ewa abrochire ana umpna wa abrochire wa ha emfa so bi ewo so ana eno ena Frederica we yi ano tintintin na Mercedes nso de ne di atwa so yi Frederica say ah ne fa so also ne say omo no mo ho na bi say omo sika o wo de be ma na emmom bibi hye ho o de sika no brewa if so di adwuma o ya o de sika na ma ne ho enti opeso ohu sika na o de brewo no ade a o de ye ti ebinumu obetumi akase ma mo list church wo de ye den na we bu akonta yi ama no if say sika na o de send hard money eni moja adwuma den a wa ye slow ma wafa de wa ye na wo de brew enti sometimes aya na o de be ma de so na stressful opeso hu say wo de ma we wo de ye say eno so akoba scan de de beba na Mercedes so kire say se me no won pratwe mo na mejiwude na wo ye ma fa wo so eminya me de a oh aden bibia e wo so ugimi di ma mo atras mo so atras me enti sa stress no enya ade e beba na se odo oye independent na e wo mu ansa we bisa bibia woni ni sutumi se obebi ko baka che ne say na sika na last am de ma den na there because me say enye de bia do bi se sika na se eja ye hu nyina de ma emema no a ene no mutimi nante yen so o ma o kapre ko bisa se sa kapre no wo de ye den eno ena ye back Frederica so kan say ye mani bi eja wo hu gu mema so dodo enti omo fa wo so na say we independent na we odwuma baby ntimi me instruct wo emi say bisa na me ye ko na ma me na maboafo asem pa me supporters me sponsors ase na ye ba be activate phone lines tam na ya hwe this advantage ni ahwe be san hwe disadvantage eye we wom na afei de edinya e wo mpra o Ghana ha ana wo Kumase no no so amano ni kro bi so behwe niama the disadvantage in it but right now dear mama na give us P power capsules for us say and I give us core capsules for us say by this time dear your waist pain so your pulse so your constipation oh ni na article your infection so your sexual weakness yo give us ya na yedamase say mo so yasene na mo siesie yen kama na mra give us a cleansing system ni na no na me may a global fan say tight. Every woman needs Globofab. It naturally tightens your vagina, makes you feel young and rejuvenated. Natural feelings, lubrication with Globofab. Baby, you need to get Globofab. All the pharmacies, all the drugstore, just go get it. All right. Anaju Black Mosquito Coil. Black Mosquito Coil. Insecticide spray. Fly away, fly killers, yo. These are gifts you're supposed to give to every family, every friend. They need it so that we can be saved from malaria. Lucky V Care Mixture. Lucky V Care Mixture. Oh, a feminine hygiene wash. And it makes you feel all the pleasures with your husband. And then you get a check for that. So go to every pharmacy, every drugstore, and ask of Lucky V Care Mixture. As the program goes on, I'm going to give you the telephone numbers. But now, let's see the disadvantages. Mercedes. The disadvantages. If you are here and he is there any disadvantage?
Yeah.
Tell us one or two.
I think when you are here and the guy is there, the guy can play you for whatever he cares. You understand? When the guy is there, he can keep you, he can make you to be with him for even 5 years whilst he's having another woman. You understand? He can waste your time. He can call you, tell you romantic things, talk to your family, talk to your father, talk to your mother, and tells you that I want to marry you, and the family will be depending on him or listening to him. Yeah. Meanwhile, he's having even a white woman there or another woman, even married. And he can waste your time for even 2 to 3 years. You understand? One day you can just call this guy and the wife will pick the call. Don't call my husband phone again, blah, 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 and you will be frustrated. That's the end of it.
When the heartbreak starts.
Yes. And some of it, they will come to Africa, they impregnate ladies and leave them with their children. They will be sending small money. At the time, they stop. That child becomes your property. You understand? Those are some of the things they do to women, the disadvantages that I think, yeah.
Yo. Uwa so manya. Na o boyfriend. Ewo abroche baby. Na niama edi nya eye oya wo mu ni say. Watch sometimes no ya na e wa adwen say eye wo nkwa odi o. Enso one day boyfriend na o baby afa. Stop calling my husband. What do you need from him? Na I want to come start. Yes, I will pay what that me. 2-3 years not to akoma. E bin so mo ba. Na wa ba be hye wo nyinsan. Na wa gya hokọ. Na ya desua e de soa. Unya ne wo chese wonnim baby ote e wo ekrom ho. Ne ndama otimi changing every anytime be on ope. Onsan Canada and there are a lot of emma e wo ye memu ha. Any baby a they are victims in some way atoto zuo mo. Waba Ghana, oh, enfa ne yanko sika ben wanya, oh me be wa gya ho odi wo, nyinsen ba ye ne. Oba no, wo friend ko ni kura so wo. Abrochi na maso de ma ho, na friend na won sanka no a, na ye wala. Etu ma ye ni na ho, ye nka se enye o, eye ba ye nto ye po, ansa na yakwa ye de ho akwa ko rem. If say ye nua no man ni bi, sofa pa. Obi so ka se me man so sofa, but ye man no tutu na bre. Man do no omo bre we any their Mercedes walker. So they give us this advantage, please.
Okay, I have to remove my glasses.
Okay.
Right now. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Hey, today you're on heat.
No, I'm not really on heat, but you know what? I gotta speak the truth.
Okay.
Yeah. When it comes to disadvantages, they come to Africa, married in Ghana. They will go to Liberia, get married. Go to Ivory Coast, get married in Nigeria. They leave all these women, run away, and go to the U.S. Number one. Number two, do you know what they do?
No.
Sometimes they come down to, it's not only the black guys. Yeah. It is also the white guys.
Yes.
They come down to Africa, take girls, kids. They even come down to family. They say they want to adopt children. Instead of adopting those children in America or wherever they stay, they come to Africa. They say they want to adopt children. Do you know what they do?
No.
They do modern slavery, domestic slavery. They take the children there. They work like slaves. Two, they will take these girls and make them sex slaves. I think we have seen a couple of videos.
Oh, yeah.
They will lie to you. They will take, sometimes they even come down. They will say, oh, we are taking you to work as house girl. You go do some cleanup just for you to earn living to come and support your family in Africa. Then they come down, do human trafficking, take those beautiful girls, make them sex slaves. And parents, you understand, are you getting the logic? Make them sex slaves.
Yes.
Some of them, the way they will treat them, especially in Lebanon, they take them. In fact, all those ones that are even trying to work, or every houses they work in, or every room, those Arab guys, they are going to sleep with those girls.
Yes.
Both in the, in the anus and the vagina. That was not what they went there for. They have so many disadvantages in these people coming to Africa and carry on modern slavery, lying, say that they are going to like and take you away to change your lives. I'm telling my African sisters, some of them are good, but they are very few. I don't want to lie. The good ones among them are 30%, and the rest of them, the rest 70% of them, they are very wicked. Sometimes they even come down to Africa, take these kids. Do you know what they do? They carry them and kill them.
Yes, I know.
It's not witcher. They'll go and, do you know some rich people and musicians out there? They come and take your clinic. They come and take your labor because those rich people are very sick.
Yeah.
You come and take children from Africa, carry them outside. Sometimes if this white woman adopt a child, do you know which part of the U.S. or which part of Australia, Norway or UK she stays? You don't know. You say, oh, my child is going to live good life. After they
a whole lot of states, different states.
Do you know what they do right now in the U.S.? They will go and tell you if you want to be a donor, all the black Africans, they will come and take them from Africa, go take them and go and kill them, remove their past because our human rights, they are not so strong to be penetrating all the Western world. So they come down to Africa, take all the best things, kill. You just name it. It's so disappointing. It's heartbreaking. This is what I'm talking about. They have a lot of disadvantages of people coming from outside to Africa.
So we should love our own.
Of course. Love what you have.
Love what you have.
Yes. Take care of it.
Adishmama, and then some people Odo Ahomaso. And ya grow. Niama edinya e was set aketesia ababawa oba ho fe. Ememe bie ken yese enye blacks nkwa o, but emrofo ni bi nso ba. Eja Umame, obi enim na se kro ofisu ya de we busu enim. Na isan so ye bro ni nti no. O se oh, mewa o mpratwe me de wo kọ maka akọ ye adwuma na I in simple pray just name of boss there because we JJ mu I had na semasi ai ti dey say what no fa ne sa na enkonkosi baby adri there enche me activate phone lines no e de amamo na mo nso metimi afre en you see what it is Mercedes, sometimes these guys that leave us, we know them.
Yeah.
Who are boyfriends out there?
Yeah.
Maybe we started with them. They are sometimes our classmates, our friends. We started,
neighbors.
they broke our virginity, they left us, they went. I mean, they've come back, so we are there.
Yeah.
But sometimes they change.
Yes.
You will know them.
They've changed.
You see?
It's true.
You know, your classmate could be your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Both families know each other.
It's true.
He's been there for 5 years, 10 years. And then he comes back and you want to reconcile, you have reconciled. Will there be any disadvantage there too?
Yeah, like you just said, the person have changed. They have changed. No matter if the person was your high school or your junior school time boyfriend, that person, they have lived outside for like 10, 15 years, and they have taken that way of living there, so they have changed. They don't. Sometimes they will not even take you serious because you know the white girls outside. Excuse me, you can have sex with them. If you call them the next day, they say, "Please, I don't know you. We just have sex."
Yeah, we just finished.
Thank you. So when it comes to
that
Africa,
was one take. What is
yes.
it?
So please, if
I don't know. They say it is one night stand.
Thank you.
So forget about it.
If you call me, if you talk to me again, I'll call the police. I don't know you. So when it comes to Africa, they want to bring that same attitude in Africa. So they want to do one night stand with your high school girlfriend who is like, oh, my boyfriend, this is my first boyfriend, I love him. They want to bring that same attitude. You see the thing?
Yeah.
So we don't even know, but the best thing, like she said, we should love our own. Simple. You understand? Okay. If my boyfriend in Africa offend me, I can take her to Kumasi, go and meet his auntie.
Yes.
Or if I did wrong to him, he can take her to Cape Coast and go and tell my parents. Very beautiful. But the guy who is in US, he came to Africa and even give you better. Who are you going?
You need money for visa, plane ticket, to and fro, and even when you get there, the bus.
They deny you at the embassy.
Oh, it's so embarrassing,
you spend all the money, the visa, the blah blah blah. We go for the last interview. The man's gonna tell you, "Oh no, you didn't make it. I'm sorry. You can come back in 3 years."
And there are several states.
At that time, the child is gonna be 3
years. There are several states.
Oh.
The guy can be in Minnesota and even tells you he lives in Maryland. How can you even find him?
Okay.
In fact, it's a baby dear. Kweku ato, mansa ato. Kwesi, it is ato di pa bebre. Efia ya no bia ato omo. Eti mama ye ni na ho. Wo dear and wo dear. Esu junso fa akwa na puehuro. But obeko obi manso no, enye obi a na ebre. Ebi ye, ba ye ma ye ni na ho. If say e ma tofo no ebre. E wo minim ni dada. E na akoye say. In fact, Mercedes make a point be a very good pa. What say wunnim nipa ne wo ha. Na wo kuma sekra ye den se den a wutimi fa ka. E ko hu na busua. Eko hu ni maame ne papa oba no so saa e me ye ka e ma ne efe na ni pe oba bi even Africa ha ba bi kra e asem uru wan e kwa akoka na akwa de wo enti honestly me nua no ma mo me nhwe ansana ya choose na ye nya adwuma nso because so de ho to no ho so saa no a eno na otimi tie so so ho de me hwe no me baba activate phone lines no na ya frɛ na obia etumi atre na adwene obetumi afrɛ yen e was 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and our phase 0302 211 704. Emma may train my first caller to come me. Carful say, Mama, you looking beautiful today. Sammy from South Korea. Hey, I'm watching you live. Oh, me that's it. Papa, thank you so much for your Marinda says looking sweet, Mama. And I know you are sweeter over there. Rakia, Mama, you looking beautiful. Medase Monica say looking sexy. Oh yeah, and I'm the sex doctor, so thank you. Okay, me ma ko ba di ba Odo Ahomaso. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Good. That's it.
That's it.
Great.
Hey, Mama, why you're so beautiful?
My makeup. My Lord is good all the time. Sweetheart, where are you calling from? Obuasi. All right.
Yeah.
Yo, yetio.
Mama, and then the first time I'm up for a
Really?
Yeah, maybe I'm a try about to be my quarters.
Okay, a lot of people get on the line. So sorry, but I said today is your day, right? Okay,
yeah.
So let's go, baby. Yeah, Kasa.
Mama, one thing is about the issue I'm more discussing. What Ghana, what a lady maybe outside or we a guy who outside with lady or Ghana.
Yeah.
One thing is I've experienced some.
You have?
Yes.
Okay.
And I met lady be Ghana. Now let you know all the time when you call her, so in your way, because not me, I love the girl and I want to marry the girl. You say so many things to her.
Yeah.
But later now I'm a buyer. Now girl no someone another boyfriend Ghana.
You see?
Your boss I don't buy and I'm although now must spend a lot on her, but the buy nana. The who at that time, Nana, when in departing.
Okay.
It seems that
we are speaking the truth, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, we need to be vigilant because all travel outside, ladies, sometimes we'll be able to say, so far as our travel on the day, you have something in your pocket, and they try say, some affair, oh, you better throw, but me once not a beer or no what some special guy doing any date.
Okay.
It's one you're so vigilant. Sometimes better spend this car on somebody.
Okay.
Later over realize not or one special guy be on any date. They won't know. That's why Jumahuno.
Okay.
And the idea about a boy of a baby, and be say. Odo
Ahomaso.
Odo Ahomaso, money Tebiano, or share be film, and it will help us a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yedamase. Papa. Hi, George. Go for it. You have what to say.
Go for it for Mama Zimbi.
Me that's. Now go for the offer for inside.
I love that.
I love you more. I love you more. Total 1, total 2, up to total 5. Yet ya will be and a hotel Fred. Yet ya or more.
Mama Zimbi, oh, yeah, so.
Okay.
Now, greetings to your ladies over there.
Hi, he's saying hi to you.
Yeah, we can't go. And it's good. And
yeah.
Mama, when you might about Copa had drinks here,
Debbie.
I do hear Mama say, ladies in Ghana here are very nice. And then the one thing that we have a problem on say, if you look at the lady in Ghana here, Sakrabia the woman be an so. But Otia Brochi, Nani Bruni Banetia. He doesn't care about your family, he doesn't care about anybody. Even your friends, he doesn't care. He cares about you and that lady. Into your mind is okay, Mempeno, only to the man in people. The many Obano Tifina. Obano Tiffy not invest in MP, whatever, no more trip than MP for no. In fact, me can't say I could Holland.
Sir,
in the choir. Get from the got to MP that new Bible to me, Yanni.
Oh, Charlie. Na say, anya buano. Now when you now will be, I could crew idea to see baby.
And some of my way can lady see can a moment near to make a throw.
Okay.
The lady is from Anadriwa Femi. It's from
no, don't mention name here now.
Okay, fine. I don't want to mention the name.
Okay.
But you called me tonight and I said, I'm listening to that program. He's also monitoring you.
Oh, okay.
And what I'm saying is, I will not mention the name. What I'm saying is, aware that I'm going to say this.
Okay, she's aware, right?
That's it. And then what I'm saying, telling the Ghanaian ladies that they should be very careful.
Okay.
And then they should trust a guy that you wanted to go with. If you know where you are coming from, if you are coming from the poor family, you should know where you are going.
Okay.
Don't follow money, no matter what. God will help you to succeed in life.
That is it.
Look at
Okay.
the nice lips over there.
Thank you,
One
sweetie.
is wearing a nice.
Thank
Mama,
you. Thank you.
let me pause it here so when talk so that
Of
somebody will
course.
keep you.
All right. Razak is on the line. Hi, Razak. Hello. Oh, I lost Razak. Please, Nankuli, call back again. Kajiko, to, yeah. Like you rightly said, he's saying those guys are so vigilant because they are sure that they are over there and certainly have a girlfriend or boyfriend somewhere. So, I mean, and he's a victim.
Okay.
You see, so, and hey, and sembe bro, kako bossy na kasa, so the member mwasa, mamunim di SCA. It's me no ma, mama ni na ho. Sikani breno aye too much. Hey, Auntie Ata, Anakwa Kwata. Hello, sweetheart. Breakum for what to say. And then swat on Knapa or I told Breakum there. Anto, you. And yet, yeah, that's it. And you have one some so, now then I can.
Sister back from Kokono.
Frederica.
I have an experience.
Oh, really?
I said, my child, they were nursing training college. But my guy be or Germany.
Okay.
And my Chinese sister from Padia.
Wow.
I know him, but the way he's giving me pressure. Okay.
Now, on the pressure, it is saying, I'll say on trust to be another impression or more. Is it money pressure and the trust is gone?
Oh, trust too fine.
Oh, okay.
Or more pressure, and I will call, and I will back, and they could see saying, and send baby. Even come baby, I met you this year, I'll say, or buy, or bet me if you work with me before.
I don't know, rent it home out.
I'm not going to her mommy.
Okay.
Say, on perfect family, me how things are going. So
that's all about I said, and now I will do, or maybe Duke can offer.
Or be worrying me.
Now, but why one I don't know person family who? Be careful, oh. Sweetie, be careful. Be careful. There is this woman. I know I
but there be na pressure all man
I'm sure. I'm sure so I worry ho. And a baby a neighborhood who now timun area now timuno. Ebian the relatives view ho. And your can be a pushy from that neighborhood. No do I ko check on be. Sister, mo ni na ho. Mo ni na ho. Sikani bi a worry girl bi. E dey no pe onye adwuma onko baabia baby obeko bia je driver na dey na ko oba no betan say nobody comes to visit you. So sometimes if you follow the money too much, you will die and leave that money. You will go insane.
It's true.
And your parents will not know what happened to you. You do be change from church to church or be a who can't die. And so sometimes, please, we need our privacy.
Also the car biba enti me kwaji loan na me fa nkoyi car no na car ni nye adwuma ma me. Just a whole lot.
Wait a minute. That guy is over there saying he's bringing a car. And you should go in for a loan to be able to what?
Send a middle loan be car no na car
Don't. Hey,
thank you.
Is the car coming in your name?
No, the car is not coming in my name.
You don't at all. What is this?
It's 419 or something.
Sister Mepacho, I don't know how long you've been with this guy. For how many years now?
I've known him for about a year now.
Oh.
1 year now, who's saying?
419.
Where did you meet him?
He's from my hometown.
Oh, okay, so you know each other before he traveled.
Yeah,
like we said earlier.
You see, I tell you, people can change within a day, within a second, within some few hours. Hey, so be careful, my dear. 1 year per dear, pressure is so do I. May that's a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Oh, hello, sweetheart, online. Hi. Oh, did I lose him too? I lost him. Oh, so sorry. But sometimes the things you see, she's under pressure. Is it pressure or fire?
This thing, I don't really understand it though. Me, the only thing I would say to anybody, if you meet such a man with so much pressure, just let it go. I was in such a pressure before. I was dating a guy, a senior man said, who can give birth to me?
You too.
Me too.
Your own father.
The guy, the moment we started talking, less than a week, the guy started sending me like big money. So I was like, wow, this guy, he really looking for
big money, right?
He really needs a woman in Africa.
Hold this. Let me take Kingsford. You continue. Hello, Kingsford. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Thanks for coming back, darling. Me that say. And how for fever? Tema. Oh, it's me tema for you na. All right, it's you. We are listening. Oh, sir, what done for the meal home? Okay, it's you. Can you hear properly? Is the speakers on?
Slow.
Yeah, Basho, and open up the speakers here for me, please. What worry? Okay, it's a married man. Okay. Oh, sorry. Uh-huh. Aye. But also it man too, you also had
any small misunderstanding here.
Oh, okay.
Because and the matter is behind any time. Domestic misunderstanding you. I'm talking to you now. 1 week.
Oh my. Now more worry for how long?
Oh, my try 4 years. 2 years.
And to me, say you know each other for 6 years.
Yeah.
But more married 2 years ni. And the slightest misunderstanding, she packs and goes to the parents. But your parents are no more, Sana, which say, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. So, the parents, or the issue, do they call you to advise you or ask what is going on? And I said, hey.
You know what? Best friend of mine, almost
okay.
Best friend, mommy, so my best friend, papa, so my.
Wow.
That's what's going on.
Really?
Yeah.
So apart from your parents, your parents is no more, your father, mother is no more. Okay,
now you come food to Hannah, because I'm from far away, right?
Okay.
And you go for family members and friends,
okay. Ma. Munima. And it's been 2 years of your marriage, although you knew yourself 4 years before you got married. But also, when you're comfortable, sweetheart, you can stay out of the marriage. Because I'm thinking, sir, if you get into a marriage, you become one family. And if you, the man or the woman, your parents are no more, either your husband's parents or your wife's parents should take you to succeed. I mean, should also take you as their son or daughter. But he is saying that anytime there's misunderstanding, the wife will pack and go to the parents. Now he will call the parents. I mean, both parents are not staying together, they are apart. Yeah. And then he goes to ask, is my wife there? He says no. It's like he's been stressed out. And so Phil say, you're not okay, please. Go and have your peace. All right. Me makwa ba de Odo Ahomaso.
Me do so.
Me da say. Na fa show din baby afrefri.
Your friend is that.
Okay, so that. Who free fa?
Me can say free dance ma.
Dance so man DC. Okay, yet you.
Oh, issue na mo kana pese kam ka asem kaka fo.
All right, conso.
Me de kamera me wa do wa bushwe.
Oh. We are be na po ba obi o wa brochiri.
Mba chwan.
Ah, we broni and say Ghana ni na Africa ni bi.
Oh, me va me kumuni.
Ghana
ni.
Ah, wa brochiri.
Mba chwan.
Ah, wonim dada, wo dey twem plan wa ha ansa na okọ, and afa na okọ try internet so na wa search.
Oh, na me ne wa ba okọ inside.
Okọ inside. Intimu communicate.
Mba chwan.
Na ebia na wo plan bi wo ho. Ana dia wo mfa. Wanya broni bi wo ho. Oni broni bi ai peppers.
Wanya broni bi o.
Onya broni bi ho okọ ya che.
Oh, enje bi asa. Okọ 2016.
Okọ da ben?
2016.
2015, 2 years ni okọ e.
Mba chwan.
Tem bia ono bo nkomo kama.
Mbajai.
No kwe wo mpo nya kan kyerɛ wo.
Mbajai.
Enti hwɛ no akoma nte. Why?
You mati. Yes, it's an ocean to one mama why. I think you feel any pa.
So when him guase. Ah, wo so obi wa abrocha na twempna. He says he's feeling you. Okay. Meanwhile, he's got a girlfriend outside though. Okay. And he says he's going to marry that girlfriend. Okay. And now you see, shame on you. And two girlfriend is also outside Ghana, no? Or also a boyfriend. All right. Adeshimama, yeah, so grateful for your callings. But right now we need to discuss the issue.
Yeah.
I was saying something before.
Oh, go ahead, sweetie.
Yeah, I was saying that what the lady said about the guys who are very stressful, Ankuma, is true. Until you get to know before you can. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
I was dating a guy, senior guy, like I said. The guy used to stress me up, seriously.
You said you were... Please,
yes, a senior guy.
What, like your father's age?
Grandfather.
Oh, grandfather.
Grandfather age, actually. You understand? A grown-up guy.
A grown-up guy. And because he was giving you huge money.
Yes.
Big
than no time, the guy used to send me like big money. So I was like, hey, this guy is serious. Make a man, you understand? Let me look at him.
Yeah.
That guy is stressed. As I sit like this, that guy will call me. Now who did say you? Who is that person that hold you? Who that person that hold you? There you go insult me. Akuma, the guy do one day I knocked my phone for ground. I'm angry and I never call her again. It's true. The stress is too much. Like you want to go mad. And you go sleep, somebody will call you. I see shadow for your bed.
That prophet or what?
It's those kind of mad guys who are spending their money from outside and they sleep in my bed alone. You call me on video, I pick. They say he's seen a shadow.
Let's say if he's in Ethiopia, he's seen a shadow in Ghana or Liberia. So the stress is more.
You see shadow from my bed. That thing make me angry. I say, when do you see shadow? What kind of man are you? I off the phone. I was angry. Then you call my hair because what I say is true. So you off.
So do you do video calls with him?
Yes, so normal video call. He will call me. It's too stressful. What I want to say to any woman, if you have such a guy, I bet kicking off. You know, he's not serious. It's true, forget time.
They want to see whatever you're doing. Even if you're bathing. Let's see whether in a bathroom.
See those people.
Some of them are mad. The one really I got was a mad one.
Charlie.
It's true.
Okay, thank you so much for using. That's why you, my resource person, you are awesome. Because you always want to use yourself issues that you've been through before as an example so they can see the reality on the ground. And you so much need that experience so they've been through before. And on when you told so who say no, a lot of a man so pesade, you know, and the can say stress womb. She say ya ubenye bi. Then you win someone yet. Na apane man escapa o tenwana okoto ni dom. Sana briefing space in the home. What's what order hokra? Ono kwa no do na papa na frɛ no hey me hu sɛ ayi obi da nkyɛn me hu sɛ shadow kwa ni twi ye de
Wow, Chum. Yes,
oh hello sweetheart we did maybe afraid free hello good ya ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso
me pa mama ku ma zindu mwaye
Vida senyame na ayo vida mase ya
ai dia to
me pa cho ma o television volume number 4 please
ma to ko na wo na ye be
na ya fro say
e dia to me na me pese me di me tin de ko atiga
oh okay yo
asamna ko baby ai mu body ko mu be mu say ye me ya
me pa cho yo kasa
because makuma dedem
hey sir
me na aba na be ma pa wo di pa ni di
okay
o yelo ni papa na wa do ko de ni o ka te ko ni re
mama mpacho nya bote kakra
low volume
ma mpacho o de o wie a me fa to so me je wona manso ba gina yie kakra beautiful. That is it. Low television set now. Okay, yeah, sure. Oh, wonderful. And to shall say, what's what you approach Rabba and a day?
Me approach memo.
Okay.
Na se se ntokwanti ni bo ba bia mo po bia betie.
Me pa show you.
Me no kata mo Kumasi tisie.
Yo.
Na me wa broti me mo no. Be ma bia e ba ho. O ye lawyer mua.
Sa?
O be shia no program bia se ye program kete bi no be shia me wo ho.
Okay.
And or the 2 men in tell me, you want to make 2 me take papa be. What the 2 men in the winning year. It's in a need Jimmy Hoba Warreme.
Our program now, Sinner or Timmy, Eddie, and no far, who's on.
That's a way in a who cast brain.
Okay.
I'm sure the office can and Jow and buy and I say, Bema Papa and
and how can he say?
Energy, make a turn, say, Magina home.
Okay.
It's necessary, me constantly papa another country, but on the program number on be bay and our chibi.
Yeah.
Or try and put up about me fear me today. Now on the young concert now, you be shia.
Okay.
And Uncle Cranka to this free or different country now, I want to buy Ghana.
Yeah.
Last year, somewhere September. It's my fan said next month in 1 year. Mene no edi yedo phone so ati sha ware ni ade o se membra down no be ware me.
Okay.
Anani abridie pa nya asem ketewa. Wonne mi ake makuma to me ye men de ebrochi memmo ba bia me wono be ma bi obefem bia me de bia I'm going to marry. I have my own countryman.
You see?
Obi obeka bia no mabo.
Ash. Obi obeka bia no abonegu. Oba Ghana. In fact, sweetheart, me pacho. And then we perceive it to us 7, Miss Srow. Sa frey and bio one. Frey and bio says, yeah. Now, soundman me pacho, fra, Jinama tour, and San Watuane Casana so. Yeah, Asembeni. You see, according to her, she's outside Ghana. A lawyer from here, Ghana, came there for a program, and you know, they had discussion, said, I want to marry you and things. They've been talking on phone for a while. And then she's here in Ghana, and she's she's about to tell us what it's happening. And then the line went off.
Jesus.
I'm sure it's just those from there.
Yeah, maybe
but some of our men also will leave here and go and deceive the women there.
And that guy is married. I'm sure when she go to Ghana, she cannot see him.
That's she's already
maybe
here.
like she saw the girl, but something is like fishy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy is not giving her an attention.
The truth.
The way he's supposed to take care of her.
That's he's married in Ghana.
Maybe. She hasn't said that yet.
Yes.
But we're hoping that she comes back and lets us know.
She'll bring similar story like that.
It's not easy.
Okay. Now, let's, a caller called into the show and said they're married. They knew each other for 4 years. And they've been married for 2 years now. And then the listing, the woman will pack and go to the parents.
Okay.
And she is like, now he's an orphan. All right. And then when he calls the family, they said, we haven't seen her. Meanwhile, both parents are not staying together.
The mom and the dad?
Yes. Not him, the wife's parents.
They are not staying together?
Yeah, the parents are not staying together. So he will pick a phone and call the mother-in-law and says, I haven't seen my daughter.
He's a liar.
Or call the father-in-law and they say, I haven't seen my daughter.
It's
like he's going through.
They are telling lies.
You know what?
They know what their daughter is doing. It's normal. They are telling lies.
Okay.
Because if a daughter leaves her marital home, the parents are concerned about her. You understand? She will be in her mother's house or somewhere. And if she's going through frustration or stress, they have to counsel her. The mother have to talk to her or the sisters. Yeah. But if she is calling them and it tells him that, oh, we don't know. No, it's a lie.
And even as he speaks, the wife has been off for 2 weeks now.
She's dating somebody and the family knows about it.
Okay.
Besides that, let me tell you something.
Okay.
Those parents, they are not together. Can a bird give birth to a rat?
Say that again.
Can a bird give birth to a rat? No way a bird can never give birth to a rat. Her parents, they are not together. So it's a generational something from the family line.
Okay.
Her parents, they are not together. And she was fortunate to get married. And then what happened? You see, those parents, they are not, in fact, they are not good. Sorry to say, I'm not insulting them, but they are not like a perfect example of a parent. Because if somebody doesn't have a parent, you should serve as the parent.
That's what I said.
You understand? So they are not. And that girl, she's even dating somebody with maybe that has money, they knows about it. And they are using that girl as a bait.
Okay.
She go and bring in money for them. She's the working machines for them.
For the parents.
You know what? They want to make her responsible for the misfortune. And if she's not wise, she's going to be like them, and they're going to separate.
So should he
and she's going to be
stay,
single.
or I said,
Oh no, he shouldn't waste his time.
No,
Okay.
I wouldn't
Yeah.
say he shouldn't stay. Let him do investigations.
fine.
Yes.
So if he does the investigation and say no, that, or they won't come and say, I don't want you anymore.
He put in, because that one is going to lead to sooner or later. She's going to come back very soon.
You've been together for 4 years.
4
Everything
years.
was okay.
And
you've been married for just 2 years.
2 years.
Okay.
And the little thing, you go to your parents, and they are frustrating him.
That's what
And
I'm
you
saying.
think he should still be in that marriage?
No, you know, listen, and what I'm saying, that is no reason to leave a woman because something happens and she went to her parents. Something happened, you understand? Now, on a very common ground, let him do investigations. Know what is going on. Find out the truth. If she's dating somebody, then he can put in for divorce. But because the both of us had this quarrel, and then I went to my parents, it doesn't give you a clue to say.
And the parents are saying
But
their daughter,
it's fine.
it's not with
You-
them.
It's not a
Because
their issue.
do you know why?
This-
The daughter is a grown-up.
Let her.
Do you know why? The daughter is a grown-up. She's of age. You cannot hold the parents for that.
Okay.
So the husband is his duty. Let him do investigations and know what's going on. If it's my daughter and I say, well, I don't know where she is, you cannot hold me.
It's true.
Perhaps I don't want to interfere in your marriage that is already breaking. I have to hold myself. I don't know where she is, or I don't know, you understand? If I be the mother, come out, oh, okay, I saw her to a coffee place at the end of this, like my mother broke my marriage. Let him do the investigation and make a perfect decision, seriously.
How will this guy do an investigation? First of all, the girl will be to the mother, and the mother will say she's not there.
Yeah.
At times, she leave the mother place and go to the father, and the father will say she's not there.
Yeah.
So this guy, they want to make it like something like he should be mad.
Yeah, he's
and it's
already
not a
mad.
first time; it's a continuous process.
Yeah.
You understand? So what is that? A woman is running away from her marriage, or something like that.
Oh gosh. Welcome back to your show. I am a Papa say, yeah, mommy, so hello, auntie. Hello. Oh, Pacho, mental won't go. Hello. Hello. Oh, so sorry. I hope so you got the number for me. Honestly, things are happening. And then Mercedes and then Frederica. Yeah. Things are happening. Sure. And the discussion we had today, it is the reality.
Yeah.
Because people have called in to testify. They are going through and now they know what to do and what not to do. But our last call, our mom is also having a fresh experience because of a man who came up there and expressed interest in her. She's here for marriage and something is happening. But I know she's going to call me back because I'm going to give her my number now. It's 0244-261200. It's also a WhatsApp live, so you can send me a WhatsApp. And mom, let's see. Experience is the best teacher, so it's good they share the experience to us. And then there we go. But Frederica, what are you up to now? What are you doing? Be a while. I saw your poster shop with something.
Yeah.
What is it?
Tomorrow I'll be premiering my online program, the Postcard.
Relax.
Okay.
Yes.
Tomorrow I will be premiering my online program.
Okay.
It's called the Postcard Reality Show Online, and I have a shop in Smile with me too, but that is on September 15th for all the malls in Ghana. Yeah. So September 3rd is another program I'm having at XXX.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be.
You need to send me invites.
Of course, I will send it to you. So that's
Okay,
that's
so
it for now. That's what I'm doing. So
Okay.
it's the Postcard Reality
That's why you're
shows.
so busy.
Yeah.
All
it's
right,
fun.
but you know, let's advise our women.
Yeah, all my beautiful women and men out there, I want you to just be content with what you have in Ghana. Even if it is outside, be very careful and vigilant. And my last word, I want to say a shout out to my family.
No, we'll come back to the shouting out to the
okay,
families.
okay.
Yes,
Just close.
sweetheart, what are you saying? The issues you've had, those who are victims, those who decided not to get into it. What are you telling them?
Oh, come on, it's not even easy to say. You understand? Like I said
Speak
earlier,
up a bit.
Like I said it's not easy to say, but like I said earlier, we should be content with what we have. Understand? Our African men should love us. And we, the African women, we should love our African men, you understand? Because it's not only the ladies we talk about tonight. The men also do it. Even the ladies are better. The ladies go for young guys and older guys, you understand? But the guys is even worse. You will see a guy of 25 years wants to marry a white woman who is 68 or 80 years.
Go to the registry and see what's happening.
You understand? And they are also frustrating us. So what do you expect us to do? If a guy comes from outside who is also frustrated, shouldn't I follow him? When my young boy who is 30 years is going behind a 90 years old woman. You understand? So all I have to say, we should reason. We should love ourselves. We should understand each other. And we can get there.
We can get there. Theo says, Akuma, I think I agree with Frederica. Most of these men look for ladies here in Africa when they come on vacation periods, approaching and using the ladies anyhow they wish. Oh, Theo, thank you so much. I'm reading from my Instagram page. Menson says, wow, Mama, you looking... Oh, you look good and I like your dress. May I say, hey, more, sweetheart, more love to where you are in the States. Thank you. Theo again say, Mercedes, I got you flattered on your shoulder. The man's story. You see, yeah, so you didn't finish your story properly. Oh. He says the guy is really, but it's good you just left him. All right, so Rainy says, hey, thumbs up for all of you here. Honestly, but what are you still, or you have anything apart from your nursing thing you're doing?
Yeah, but right now I'm taking a break home. I want to visit my country.
You're going back home?
Yeah. No, I'm going to on a visit. I'll be back. Like I'm visiting home, and I'll be back. You know, I'm trying to work out something. I want to step out of Africa and bait to see how it is out there. To see those crazy guys.
You want to go and see those crazy guys?
Who come to Africa and make fun out of us.
So you're also going to do crazy things?
No, I just want to see their faces. So on a serious note, I'm taking a break soon now to my country, but I'll be back, yeah.
You would be back?
Yeah.
So what are you telling your women? I want you to say something.
What I got to tell my women, money is good. Money is sweet, especially in the hands of women. We enjoy money more than men, we the women. But what I have to say, we should be patient, you understand? We shouldn't allow those crazy guys to make fun.
Some crazy guys
to make fun out of us because of money, you understand? We shouldn't allow them to just use stuff anyhow when they come to Africa because they are from the US, tell us to do crazy things. You just met a guy, because he's sending you money, start to send him naked pictures, all those rubbish. Ladies, be vigilant. That's what I have to say. Our African guys are cute, they are sweet, they are romantic, they are everything. Understand? Their black and chocolate color is nice. African women and to the African guys, you those small boys. Running beyond those 90 years old ladies. For the African women, no. If you don't want to marry a Ghana woman, go and marry a Liberian woman. If you don't want to marry a Liberian woman, go and marry a Nigerian woman. All the way, Africa, Benin, Togo, you have them. So all I have to say, be vigilant and quiet wherever you are. If they are giving you trouble, leave them, kick them away.
What did she do? What?
Kick them away.
Kick her, let me see. Do you have a word, Mercedes? Oh, sorry, Frederica.
Yeah. So all my.
Yeah, and then you can do your dedications now.
Okay, I want to blow this shout out to my family. Yeah. Kenny Daniel, my manager, Mighty Jet, Susan, Dorcas, Stanley Newton. My family, I want to say shout out to you and to my lovely dad in the USA. I love you so much, Fred Julius. Your daughter is here and follow her Puska reality show starts tomorrow. I love you, Dad. Have a great day.
So right now, Mercedes is leaving, but you are here.
Oh, I'm here because I'm doing some programs. Yeah. After my programs, I have a couple of things I want to carry outside to show. When I'm going outside, I want to have something to premiere in my Liberian community or in a Blacks community. I want to have a proceed of what I'm doing in Africa because they know what I'm doing. So I have to carry something, but I want to be done with what I'm doing before.
And also not forgetting, So my brother, Buster, shout out to you.
Yeah,
and to my friend,
your boyfriend now.
And not forgetting Mickey.
Who is Mickey?
God bless you. They are all family friends.
They are all family friends.
Hey, Buster, No, I gotta get shout out to Buster as well.
They are not abroad. They are in Africa, please.
Buster, I want to say shout out to you. Buster, I want to say shout out to you. Eric in the US. Buster in the US. I have no family.
You think she's saying shout out to you?
No,
And
that's
who is
why
in Africa?
Buster, I want to say shout out to you.
Okay, I hear you.
All my family.
I hear you. Yeah,
And even Jesse from LIB that called it last time, I want to say shout out to you and bravo to all the people from Liberia that's following this program.
All of you who's watching the program tonight, God bless you.
Omo fi krom ha o ezo mba he no hwe ne mo ye adwuma enti ye nso no yete ha asase so ye dia mo me fa ye nsa anya adwuma ne enyi ye ni a ye de to mema bi so no ade hye ma me da say so ye mre. It's a wonderful weekend na hwe ho so ye wate menko bie me ye new by heart e ma unhya asinku nipa me de stack say ma me wonderful cameraman. Hey, me sound man yo, me say designer oh, MCR oh, and to you at home, you were so also wonderful. Went to my Instagram page, brought your comments, and we read them for you. Mercedes, I'm going to see you before you leave. Yes. Mwah. And
I'm just going for a week.
Okay.
Oh, just a week.
Yes, I'll be back.
Wonderful. Producer, director, Prince J, we say to God be the glory and have a lovely weekend.